Welcome back to Acid Hot on top of the senior brother for the television stations when they inside the world, Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. Today na full house. In fact, fullest house because the visitors will get there be 3 in 1. Sake of say the information when they carry for their body, the thing na wire. Ezugu Chukudi, Unkubi, Oga Al-Jafar Ibrahimo and Oga Gbola Oba, they inside studio and when they discuss the ministerial list, discussion continues. All the roundabout when they inside the discussion. We don't discuss the list and everybody agree say the people when they and people when we say Oga President believe say they fit move this our country forward working with them and we dey important say make we support them and all of us be minister too make we go the next level. Oga Gbola Oba, quick one. People they complain say okay, this list like you don't talk. Everybody when they there, they competent, they qualified. But people they talk say okay, we need young blood. We need young people when go move this country forward. And make them join their hand together to move on. But a lot of people don't argue say when we talk about young people, plenty of the young people no they ready. Because it be like say the things when we say they come first for our mind, no be about maybe patriotism, loyalty to the nation and moving the country forward. Many of us want drive big motor, buy big house, pop champagne and carry fine girls.
That's not your opinion of Nigerian youth.
No, somehow, it's a general opinion.
That's now opinion of Nigerian youth.
General.
Nigeria general opinion.
The telecoms industry in today's Nigeria, if you commot hydrocarbon, commot petroleum, if you commot the telecoms industry is a major contributor to the GDP. Okay. If you do the average age of the Nigerians functioning in that industry, complementing the foreign expatriates where they Nigeria in that industry, the average age is less than 35. Telecoms industry. Okay. The face of the world, where Nigeria they take engage in the world. Telecommunications, Commodia, go the creative industry. Who people dominate them?
Now young people.
Yeah, young, yes.
The people who power the ideas, the people who create employment opportunity for hundreds of thousands of people. Now 94 would be their age, eh?
No. They be young people.
So people go sit down because they see some few boys where sack this thing, where they sing pop champagne. Even those where they sing pop champagne, the technology where they take una hear them. Now some people doing the recording, now some people doing the editing, now some people doing the production
as well.
Now some people do the production. Where then they consider some of our productions for Los Angeles for Grammy Awards.
Yes.
Una condemn Nigerian youth.
No be to condemn.
I am an entrepreneur in this market. I have created in the last 3 years. I have created nothing less than 700 jobs. And those who are making it possible for me to create jobs are Nigerian youth that I believe in. When I subject them to the rigor of skills acquisition. I have a girl in Abuja now. Make I give you a little testimony. I have a girl in Abuja now. 2 years ago, she was a winner of Goodluck Ebele Jonathan's You Win. You know how I criticize Jonathan here. Who I support when Jonathan they contest against Buhari. I say if dog contest against Jonathan, I go support that dog. That girl, she win 5 million naira from Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. My business, where I be one of the executive directors and the chief operating officer, after training her as a graduate of mechanical engineering, we trained her to be able to diagnose a problem in vehicle, solve this thing, and we created a shop around there in Abuja. She draws 150,000 naira monthly for herself. At the end of the first financial year, she made 7 million naira. The money where she make as profit, herself and her husband, a chartered accountant, then take open another branch. They have employed now, as I'm talking to you 12 people. How many old people they employ people? If you condemn Nigerian youth, God will condemn you.
Not be to condemn Nigerian youth.
May I ask Oga Jafar a question? Because in talk say from the way the youth they say they never too prepared. But they in mind say, make also ask you this question. Who be the people who carry this election for head? One. Okay. Who be the people who say, where demand say we want change? And what be that we call for that change? And who be the people who say though as a matter of fact Nigeria don't reach the level where we say we go come out from this old government, enter into a new government. Waiting prop time. Look look every sector of our country. Go say people where they make and run today now youth. So where be the space where you go talk say the youth no they prepared.
Thank you very much.
Your reasons for saying that.
Thank you very much. I appreciate my colleague.
Sorry, my brother, for the strong language we are taking. And sorry,
okay.
And our passion just catch me.
That's okay. I appreciate what he has told us about the youth in the entertainment industry and in the telecommunication industry. Now, I want you to listen carefully. Those are industry driving the Nigerian country and being managed and propelled by the seniors, not youths. The youths are the mix and mixture. They are the what we call tools of production that they mix and mismatch to make sure that we get a final thing. This election thing where you tell me about people who vote, when they talk about it, change and everything, the people where they do the whole hooliganism are youth. The people where they make the most noise are youth. Change this, change that. The people where they collect money are youth. The people where they demand. The people where vote that day, no youth votes. All of them, they watch African Magic.
If we check the population,
there no
if
votes,
we check the population,
we check the population,
go check because the stats now even women plenty pass when come and come vote.
Don't go look the queue. People where the queue. No, you're not gonna say you and your girlfriend they inside where they watch African Magic or they watch Doro Susie with a hearing. Wow, you don't make so much noise about change and everything. But when it comes to real change dynamics, you won't find him there. He's not ready.
But is that a reason not to include or involve youth in this present
now,
government?
for me to make you a minister, to be in driving seat.
Because as if we say we get credible youth, where they feel any position where they give them.
Credible youth everywhere.
But
the question I say, are we ready?
That is
the question. Vis-a-vis the population, Nigeria are estimated 160 million. Our population are young, mostly young people in the carry.
Yes.
But if we look at the entire number of those young people,
some
at least 80% of those young people, what is they concerned about?
They are being
without even the backing of
the old people.
They are not operating. They are not running.
They are used, not operating.
They are not operating. Our youth.
Make we not even go far. This your organization. This your organization. A foreign direct investor, na the owner. A foreign direct investor. That foreign direct investor, most people in Nigeria don't know his face. You understand? But I feel tell you, say, if I did drive, it did likely say now one of your sister organization they listen to Nigeria Info. If I know they listen to Nigeria Info, due to creativity, people they listen to Wazobia. Now Wazobia TV we do here. Now, your age now 74. No, your own now 63.
Not at all.
You understand? No, and the editorial policy.
I don't want to make we shift come on for what we talk. Why then no put youth for minister? Now we dey talk. Not be say our youth are docile or imbecile or that they are not qualified. Nigerian
make we also shock ourselves. Make we shock ourselves. Say the major person, one of the person will be the major person will lead to the rebranding of Oga Mohammed Buhari. We take become president. We know who he be, and now youth.
Nobody talk say youth no dey.
We dey ready.
When they ready,
capable.
Vis-a-vis the population of the youth.
Responsibility. Not to say
if all the youths when Nigeria come with one voice, demand for something, we go figure it out. Now we dey talk.
They are not ready.
Not ready.
They are not ready.
The few when they ready, don't get voice. That's what we are saying.
Because they are not ready for that kind of
thing. Me and this my brother, it be like saying about the same time we did London together, we did England together. Me and this my brother. One thing we I want talk now. If you say a lie, if you think say no, you know agree. All the countries where they see they celebrate, like UK, like Germany, like America, now less than 5% of their population, now they form policy think tank. I never live for any society where I see ignorance from the larger society reach United Kingdom. You go there some areas of London, people where they live for like Victoria Island never reach Oyigbo before. Now Victoria Island then born them, now Victoria Island then go die. You understand? But you see policy thinkers are always very few in percentage. Look, the reason why China is one of the most prosperous nations on the face of the earth, not be because all the 1.3 billion Chinese are very creative and innovative. The members of the Communist Party in China, out of a population of 1.something billion, the full members of the Communist Party in China is not up to 100 million, and the inner core, the inner Politburo controlling the Communist Party in China that has precipitated this thing is less than 3% of the Chinese population. So, because we have a population of 170 million, and the youth population is likely 80 million, and you see some people duping this thing.
Plenty people, no be some, plenty people.
Plenty, I know
plenty people.
I just give you an example.
Oga Chukwu, make I tell you, make I come compliment you with it. You say we did together at that place.
Oga Jafar,
that same UK we ain't talk.
But I will not make we lose this color where they call us. I bet. Oga John, they call us from Imo. Good morning, Oga John.
Uncle, good morning.
Good morning.
Oga Chukwu, good morning.
Oga John, we dey greet you.
If you like to get guests for the house,
we get two ogbonge visitors. Always salute give them.
My guests are greet you now. Good morning. No?
Good morning. Oh, God bless.
I bet waiting for the topic on
we dey talk about the ministerial list. Just give us your own contribution.
What can concern the ministerial list? Me, I don't see why the our Oga President go prolong the ministerial list at that time. And the change where we ourselves they expect, we will never even see the change at all. So the ministerial list, I don't see something special inside because now people well will know right from time, right from before they born ourselves, now they see that list. We're expecting to see a youth of at least the age of like 30-something, 40-something years. The lowest person there now, the youngest person there is almost 50-something years or 40-something years. That one not be changed.
Oga John, thank you very, very much for that important contribution wey you make. But today important say make we emphasize say no be from Jupiter Oga President go carry people come. Whether na people wey we know, whether na people wey we no know, so long as say dem dey qualified, they go do am. We get donatus from Edo State. Edo too far, abeg. When they don't come begin, they do us that thing when they do for air for night. Oga Donatus, good morning, sir.
Oga
Donatus, you did there? We don't lose Oga Donatus.
So Oga Jafar,
the UK that our honourable learned friend just cites as an example of people leading. If they know that the youth is so good and they are so productive, they will have House of Youth. Not House of Lords, that you will see men of grey all over, and they are the fast strategic thinkers.
Men of great knowledge.
Plan 100 years for United Kingdom. These are House of Lords. Now, somebody now move from an area to another area. It's relativity. Now you know why you are moving around. If you have all the things you need in your area, in your borough, born there, grow up there, and do everything.
Make a shock Oga Jafar. Make a shock am. In 1997, me Igbola Oba, wey dey follow you talk, I be candidate for Conservative Party, London Borough of Greenwich St Mary's Ward, 1997. The Prime Minister of UK today, I don't know am for Conservative Party when they take me. Go Conservative Party meeting because I gave them a vote which they never see before in that world. The Prime Minister of UK today, I don't know him for 1997. It shows you. And the Prime Minister, forget about the House of Love, the cabinet, now in they drive the society. We they talk about youth now. You see, you cannot wish away the fact that societies, what be the definition of success? Success now be say the thing where you do and know to do well. You have people where you go hand over back.
Very true.
Oga Bolaba, make we collect this call from Uti. Uti, they call us from Warri. Good morning, Uti. Good morning.
Oga Nkubi.
Well done.
Ona, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Uti.
Chukudi, good morning.
I greet you, Oga Uti.
I greet the visitors this morning.
Good morning.
I better reduce the volume of your television.
As it dey hot, reduce that thing for me.
Continue.
You see, the way things is going in our country today, with this ministerial list, it's good for some people eye. It's the other side of some people eye, it's no good. Because it's what we call eyesore. When you promise your pikin, say, I go buy you biscuits, and at the end of the day, the pikin no can see the biscuits, you are a failure. That is one. Two, for people who are there for Obudibo to come to Nigeria today, now when it don't done, don't tell the whole youth of Nigeria. Say youth, the day of election, youth were watching movie. They were dancing anywhere. Youth did not move. After a lot of fight and struggle in Nigeria today, somebody come from nowhere. They address the youth of Nigeria that we did not vote election. There is no problem. But the problem in Nigeria is caused by the youth. Because if the youth will listen, follow this program, the way I follow this program, they will know that we are not recognized in this country. They only use us when they want to use us, and they will abandon us at the end of the day. So today, everybody is looking at what is happening. We have how many graduates can graduate in Nigeria today? We have numerous graduates that are suffering on the street. Some of them today are driving Okada. They are graduates. Some of them today, they are roaming on the street. They are graduates. But some people, our elders, our grandfathers, so which means that today they are telling us that the Bible is a liar. The Bible says the old men will dream, while the young men will see vision. So which means that
don't go spiritual.
Our elders have killed it. Thank you today, because as it is hot.
Thank you very, very much, Oga Oti, for that contribution. Oga Ubo, yes, they hear you, Oga.
Let I quickly compliment this man. You see what he has said, that while the youths are busy doing other things that does not quickly come to governance, the old people are in governance. If the youths had brought themselves together and they have a formidable voice, do you know that today, if the youths come together and tell Buhari they want 10 of their members in their ministerialists, that's what it will be.
Because of the power they get. They can run down any government.
The youths.
They can run down any government.
They don't have it. Emeka, they call us from Lagos. Good morning, Emeka.
Emeka from Ojota.
Ojota, yes, Lagos. Good morning.
I agree to the...
Yeah, right,
okay,
right.
we put you back.
Obanjo is I agree to all of you. You people are trying.
Thank you, sir.
I don't miss you a lot, so there's no problem.
No wahala.
On a line now, hot cake. So get to our wahala.
Yeah, now, I beg contribute for this talk when they discuss.
Still say, the only person where I don't like in that list is I'm a former governor of Rivers State.
What happened? What did he get with you?
It caused trouble Katakata for there too much. So I don't even like him. Let you know just for that list.
You think that the Katakata when he cause, he go affect in work as minister?
It go affect in work, and some people don't go like him. Yeah, I like the man before, but what he did during and all that things against Jonathan, that make me happy.
Okay, thank you very much.
We don't quickly rush, enter inside break. When we go come back, we'll continue our discussion. But we go like emphasize, say, person when they inside the list, when supposed to be minister or when go be minister, make we look am as person when go fit do the work or whether he no go fit do the work. Not be whether he collect your ice cream or he collect your plate of soup. When we go come back, we'll continue our discussion as it is hot. Welcome back to As It Dey Hot. We don't reach the part where we say, now final bus stop with the seat. Una go see say smoke. They come out inside the studio because this talk when they talk, I go speak English. They bring out passion for the mind of Nigerians. Now the essence of As It Dey Hot be that make we dey talk am so that those when the matter concern go take the necessary action and move this our country forward. Everybody don't drop their points. Ezugu Chukwudi, Nkubi, Oga Aljafar Ibrahimo and Oga Gbola Oba. But now moving forward, now be the next one now. Now, we get 21 names inside this list. Whether we like them or not, if we check them, forget, say, okay, then they write petition against president, no, they write. These people are people when we say, Oga President fit beat in chair say until they not do wetin they supposed to do, these people fit do am. You just tell us of how do when you sit down for in front and your respect for am grow because he break everything down the way when he take concern agriculture. Now make we move forward now. In the next maybe by December, okay, may I not do am. May not be like say I dey limit wetin they want do. Make we check the next 6 months. Make we come out petition aside. Say they screen all these 21 people now. Everybody go inside wetin they supposed to do. Wetin be the next level for Nigeria? Because if we wait 4 months to get ministers, now we don't get them. Everything supposed to on fast forward. Wetin be the way forward for Nigeria?
No, the thing wey matter, maybe say earlier on my brother here talk say minister no dey do much. Na civil servants they do this thing. Na permanent secretaries and civil servants dey permanent secretaries. And the civil servants, they be like your motto. If you decide
I beg, just pause for a while. Make we collect this call from Chigozie. Chigozie, they call us from Enugu. Good morning, Chigozie.
Good morning, Nkwobi and the Chokwode.
Okay, Chigozie, we dey greet you.
Guest too, I dey greet you now.
Good morning.
Thank God, though, at least the ministers where we dey wait for long don't
come out.
Let her come. So all of us, they happy. But I say make Nigeria no worry about the list. Although the list suppose don't consent as President talks say na angel wey ain't go show us, but no angel. But I know they surprised because President na far back, so he go use far back people too. So but waiting I dey expect to make anybody no castigate anybody. But as President saying they fight corruption. Anybody will get problem or all this name, why they hear say they thief money, they no thief money, make them no take them. I no one call anybody name, but even the people where they never call name say they thief money. If once you get money problem, after them go solve the thing, President fee bring you. Make them come take you.
Chigozie, thank you very, very much. We don't get that your point. Say anybody when go there that kind of position so that distraction no go there, making them move.
Because people like me, you invite me here. I tell you now, say for Saraki case, I tell you now, say in normal society, the thing we Saraki supposed to do now be say make a step aside.
From that position as president.
You know why I say make a step? I don't say make a resign. Make a step aside, give the leadership to some other persons. Face your case. When you face your case and you are cleared, you come back to your position. You will still be this thing. But you know what? If I can say that to Saraki, I must be able to say it too.
To Fashola,
Amechi, if people accuse you, clear yourself because there's a tendency for that thing to distract you.
If we say
for me, that is me.
No, but I don't agree with that.
But you know what? They don't say now, at least we don't see now, say, Saraki can go to bed now happy, knowing that if our president select Amechi, if our president select Fashola, if our president select some people where they say they get Benge for hand, you know, instead can still they doing work.
Okay.
Until proven guilty,
you are innocent.
Oh yeah. So
if we say make we screen everybody,
we don't agree
before
now.
we
don't even agree on that.
If we say make we screen everybody,
so make any Buhari's not come here now.
Yeah, if we say make we screen everybody before we send a prime minister, we know we select. The more way they make noise about one particular ministerial list. If I be Obonge Mohammed, that's the more I will take that person.
No problem.
He sure say all of them know very well, and he will behave himself,
very true.
and he will work for me.
Quick one.
So nobody will tell me who I want for my kitchen cabinet. And these are the people I want, and these are the people that are going to work for me. Nigeria should wait. Minister not be permanent, and not be as they go. If you say you don't do your work, you come out there.
Last word.
The reason why egg will make the breakfast table.
Which one, boiled egg or fried egg?
Whether fried egg or boiled egg.
Or omelette.
The reason why you make the breakfast table, it take different from the reason where the body of pig take the breakfast table. Pig die. Egg na delivery. So the hen no die, but pig die. The thing where person go do for the beginning of this thing, wey go become encumbrance as Oyinbo people dey call for im agenda. Na small mistake like this dey happen.
Very true. Oga Jafar, you dey look ahead. Quick one, last word, abeg.
I thank Ogbonge Muhammad Buhari for his wisdom. Not be just ordinary one, spiritual wisdom. If anybody make any uproar, you have waited 20 years to be the commander-in-chief. You should continue what you are doing. In fact, if you have any people who get more controversy for your people where you go bring the next day, bring them out. Now only you see waiting, we don't see. Why these people must rule this country and take us to the next level. If we say, make we stone everybody, in the Bible, Christ called the people, say, if I want to stone this woman, that's when they do waiting this woman do, now you go first stone, everybody withdraw. Nigeria, I bet make we let Oga Buhari do him work.
Oga Jafar, you don't finish talk for on top of this matter. What we always talk, we say Nigeria and our country, you know, go spoil. All of us get the right to contribute, talk am the way the thing be. But at the end of the day, we must all agree so that we go move this our country forward. Because the beauty of democracy na say popular decision. Now we go use carry our country forward. Our Ogbonge visitor them, Ogagbola Oba, entrepreneur par excellence. Thank you for coming on top of us today, hot. And the DG of African British, Oga Jafar Brimo. We go shake una hand. Make it not be like say we take all the end the show. Until we come back again, our people, tomorrow with another topic when they come out smoke to discuss the thing. Make una continue to pray for Nigeria. Now as idiot. Una bye bye.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.